And now we're going to search the database. So in order to do that, we're going to go to Create, and we're going to go to Query Design. Query is like the old word for a question. Be very careful that you don't double click the buttons. So we'll click it once, and you notice that this button appears behind it, which is why we didn't want to double click. First thing that we need to do is go over here. It's already on tables, but sometimes it will change to some of the others. So make sure we click tables. There's our main table, people. We can double click that. Make sure you only do that once, because we only want one version of this. If you get more of them, close it down, start again. We want these at the bottom, so I'm going to double click. Now let's say I make a mistake, you can just use them from the drop down there. We need to make sure that this table is the one that's up there, the main one that we're going to use. So we've got name, surname, age and region. So within this database, let's say that we are looking for people over the age of 50 who live in the northeast. So here we would put in greater than 50, and in the region here we would put northeast. Okay, click somewhere else. You don't need to put these speech marks in, let the computer do it. We go back up to the top there next to where it says query 1, and we're going to close that down. Yes, we want to save the changes, and we give that a sensible name. So over 50 northeast. Click OK. Where the queries are, then we can double click so that we can open that one up, and we've got our results. So let's just try another one there. I'm going to go to Create, Query Design. So now notice it's gone to queries. We don't want to search within that one. We want to go back to tables, double click on people, double click each of the field names. If you need to do, you can grab the bottom of that and make it longer so you can see all of them. So this time, let's say that we want people who are less than 30, so people who are below 30 from the northwest. So we close down the query, we say yes, so give that a sensible name so we can find it again later, and then we open that one up and we've got our list of people here. Even though we're querying the database and we're going down to smaller numbers of people, all of our records are still here in our main table.